Welcome. If you've ever missed an important moment because you didn't hear when someone moved into your Discord voice channel, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to enable notification sounds for when a user moves on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started and make sure you never miss a beat in your favorite server. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up your user settings menu, where you can adjust all sorts of preferences to make Discord work just the way you like. Inside the user settings, look for the section labeled Notifications in the sidebar. Click on Notifications to enter the notification settings. Here you'll find a variety of options to customize how and when Discord alerts you about different activities. Scroll down until you find the sound section. This is where Discord lets you choose which events will play a sound notification. Look for the option labeled User Moved. This setting controls whether you'll hear a sound whenever someone moves into your voice channel or is moved by a moderator. To enable this feature, simply click the toggle next to User Moved so that it turns on. Once it's enabled, you'll start hearing a notification sound every time a user moves in your voice channel. This is especially useful for moderators, streamers, or anyone who wants to stay on top of channel activity without constantly watching the screen. And that's it. You've now set up Discord to notify you with a sound whenever someone moves in your voice channel. With this quick change, you'll always know when friends or teammates join you, making your Discord experience even smoother. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.